Converting a lead to a contact. A lead needs to be contacted and nurtured. The salesperson graduates a lead through the funnel, finally converts the lead successfully. In most businesses, this is when the lead is recognized as an opportunity, an account, and a contact. At this point, the salesperson may hand over the details to an opportunity manager or an account manager. Using the CRM module, such handover is seamless, and all the relevant information can be transitioned with just a click of a button. To convert the lead, open the desired lead items details page. Note that the salesperson might have filled in the available information only, such as the first name, last name, the lead manager, the source, etc. Towards the top right of the page, there is the Convert Lead button. If the lead has already been converted, this button will be disabled. Just click on this button to convert the lead. The system will automatically fire a workflow process, and items will be created in the Opportunities table, the Accounts table, and the Contacts table with relevant information. Let's look at the items that are automatically created in various tables. First, access the Opportunities table from the sidebar. As we can observe, a new item has been created. By default, this has the qualified status. The opportunity name and the account name values are taken from the company title of the lead. The lead manager is selected as the opportunity manager by default. All the default information is editable. Additionally, you can provide details like the estimated value, the probability of success, and the estimated date when the opportunity will be closed. Always save your changes. Now let's look at the Accounts table. An account item has also been created from the lead. This stores the company-related details like the industry, the primary contact number, whether the account is categorized as a customer or a supplier, the website address, etc. After making changes, press the Save button. Lastly, let's look at the Contacts table. A contact item has been created from the lead details. Here, the lead first name and last name are pre-filled. You can enter the contact number, email ID, and other relevant details. Click to save the contact details in the system. Hope you will convert many more leads using the CRM module and efficiently manage all the information.